Hi, everyone. This is Patty Torres. I'm the project coordinator for the Humboldt Community Health Trust project, and I'm going to be showing you in this quick tutorial how to use some of the features in Flock. So we're going to be emailing you a link, and all you have to do is click on the link, and it'll direct you to this screen where you enter your email, and then click Join. So this is the main screen. If you look over here to your left, this is mainly your recent activity. So I'm going to direct you right here all the way to the right to this column of options. Starting here with the directory, it shows you a list of channels and of contacts. Channels are the avenues through which we're sharing information. So you will see knowledge sharing, announcements, governance committee, and then one channel pertaining to the group work group for which you belong. So you will not be seeing all of these. These appear on my screen because I'm an admin, so I form part of all of the different channels. This has a list of all your contacts here, and then here in the center just filters it down by channels. So for example, we are going to click on the governance committee channel, and there are several options here. This is similar to a news feed, so kind of like social media where you can, as you type in messages, they appear here on everyone's news feed. Down here, you have the option to share a file, so I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. So you click on the pin right here, select any attachment you'd like to share, and then it uploads. And it's visible to anyone that's a member of that channel. There's also the option to create different code snippets to just make shortcuts, and then creating a note. So when you click on that, it gives you a screen kind of like an email where you have the option to give a title, write the body of a text, and then down here, several different formatting options. There's also the option to create a poll. So if you would like to ask a poll to different committee members, you just type a question and different options, and then click post. And then right here, we'll connect you to your Google Drive. We're not going to be using that feature, but it's there if you choose to connect some folders through Google Drive. Up here where it says Mailcast, you have the option of clicking on that and then taking this link, copying it and pasting it to your regular email, and that sends out a broadcast email to everyone in that channel. If you click here on Drawer and then look to your right-hand side, it'll show you all the different files that have been shared with this through this channel. You have the option of pinning them by clicking right here, and they'll show up at the top. So if there are files that you would quickly like to refer to, you can pin them, and they will be the first ones to appear. You also have the option of clicking favorite here on the newsfeed. So when you go to the options here on the right-hand side and click on favorite, your favorite files will appear in this column. If you click on the drawer, it'll show you all the different files that have been uploaded through the different channels. So you have the option through this drop-down menu to select a channel, and it'll show you what files have been uploaded, if any. So for now, we've mainly been uploading to the governance committee channel. But as the work groups launch, you'll see different activity there as well. There's an option to create to-do lists if you would find that helpful. Another tab for notes. So again, you can click on notes, select the channel you would like to broadcast in, and then create new note. Another quick link to Google Drive. And then favorites, we already talked about that a little bit. And then reminders, you're able to set reminders for yourself if that's helpful. And lastly, there's the Flock Assistant. So this is a neat tool that kind of guides you through everything I just quickly explained in a little more detail, or in case you need reminders of how to do something, this comes in handy. You also have the option of sending private messages to members. So by going back to clicking Directory, you click on a contact. And as you can see right up here, it changed from Governance Committee to Jessica Osborne. So this indicates that I am now in a private conversation with Jessica. And all you have to do is type your message, and it'll show here on your news feed. And this is a private conversation just between you and whoever you choose to create it with. You can click right here to add others into the conversation. Or you can also click here to the camera and you can start a video conference. This is also a feature that is used to mute notifications. So if there are members that are posting frequently and you'd rather not have the disturbance, you can always click mute and you will not be sent frequent notifications. Just a couple of last things. So in announcements, only the admins can post through this. So there's no option to mute this one. So this is where we'll be sharing important information that should reach everyone. And then everyone else has the opportunity to share on the other channels, such as Governance Committee, knowledge sharing, and your particular data work group. So Governance Committee, of course, will be information that's pertainable to everyone in the Governance Committee. Knowledge sharing, we could use to share resources that could be helpful to everybody, maybe not necessarily pertaining to the Governance Committee, but something that you'd like to share. And of course, for the work groups, information that's pertinent to each work group. And I think that really covers all the basic features of Flock. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. Thanks so much.